Hello, Paji. I want to wish you a very, very happy birthday. May God bless you with a lot of love, success, and everything you want. Thank you very much for all the great things you have done for all of us. आपके साथ इतना समय बिताया, ड्रेसिंग रूम शेयर किया, बहुत चीज़ें आपसे सीखे और बस इस जन्मदिन पे मुझे आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। आप के लिए दुआ करते हैं, आप खुश रहिए और हो सके तो आपकी एक एपी घड़ी मुझे दे दो ना यार।
We've seen you grow from a school kid to what you are today, and it's been such a terrific transition from a school kid to a global icon. Has been something that all of us who followed you since your school days, we are extremely proud of that. What is even more pleasing is the way you have conducted yourself, the way you've carried yourself on and off the field. And I just want to say that I wish Hemant was around here. Hemant, who first told me about you, Hemant Vaingankar. Anil Joshi is, of course, still here. And we often reminisce about those days when we were going in a car to watch you play at the Maidans or at the Gymkhanas. So, a happy, happy birthday. May God bless you and your family and your near and dear ones.
I still remember 1989. You were a 16-year-old boy, playing, making your debut superb in Pakistan, and you were amazing. At that time itself, we all knew that you are going to be a superstar. Now you're god of cricket. Well done, Sachin, for everything. Wish you all the happiness and joy in life. May God bless you and your family with all the happiness and joy in life. Fantastic, Sachin. Fantastic. Boss, तुसी great हो Paji.
Happy birthday, Sachin. What an incredible journey you've been on. To have been part of your journey in some small way, playing against you all those years and for all the games that we competed. It was an absolute pleasure. I think the best memory I have from all the battles that we had was that 100 that you scored in Chennai after the disaster here in India. And the way that you commemorated that 100, that match-winning 100 to the people of India was something that will always be clear in my mind as to the kind of character that you are and how much you love your country and how much you are celebrated in this country because of just how much passion you have for every single person that resides here. You're highly respected around the world. You're loved around the world, mate. We all love you. Happy birthday.
So start of his international cricket journey, me and Sachin, we were together constantly. From the age of 14, even before he played for India, we've shared rooms. And the first 2 or 3 years, we were constantly together. It's common knowledge, and a lot of people know about his early habits. When he was a 16-year-old, he used to sleepwalk. And I'll never forget, we humans have perhaps एक इंस्टिंक्ट होता है कि अगर कोई आपके पास स्टेयर करता हो तो फिर आपका ध्यान उस तरफ जाता है, होता है कभी कभी। तो हम रूम शेयर करते हैं न्यूजीलैंड में और मैं तो बहुत डीप स्लीप में रहता हूँ, वेरी रेयरली आई वेक अप। बट उस रात को आई वोक अप और जब मैंने साइड में देखा, रूम शेयरिंग होता था, वो बेड पे सचिन तेंदुलकर साइड पे बैठा था और मैं ऐसे सोया था, मेरी तरफ ऐसे देख रहा था, आंखें ऐसे करके नींद में। आई कांट टेल यू कि मैं इतना डर गया था वो देख के। सो आई सॉर्ट ऑफ शाउटेड एट हिम, सचिन सो पता, as in Marathi, is sleep now. And he sort of quietly went to sleep, but it was extremely frightening. Just imagine at night. And I woke up actually because I was just sitting there and staring at me. So yeah, that was one memory that I have from my sharing room with Sachin, and he was a great roommate, very clean, very disciplined. So we had a wonderful time together. For me, it's still that curly-haired 15-year-old that was hitting Abdul Qadir out of the ground. He's become the god of cricket, but for me, he's Tainlia, and I wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Hello, Sachi boy. The great rival that we shared was spectacular through, the late 80s and early 2000s. It was just sensational. My favourite innings of all time, and maybe it sums up your personality perfectly, was the Sydney Test match where you thought, you know what, I'm not going to play a cover drive, and you didn't, and you made a great 200, and once again you decimated us. But brother, you are an an incredible player, obviously. You're a fabulous competitor. All the very best, not only for this year, but for many, many more seasons to come.
पाजी विश यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं, पूरे परिवार को शुभकामनाएं। देखिए, मैं अपने आप को मानता हूँ किस्मत वाला, क्योंकि आप सब खेलने का मौका मिला। पार्टनरशिप थी हमारी साउथ अफ्रीका में वर्ल्ड कप में अगेंस्ट पाकिस्तान। तो मेरा छोटा सा रोल था, पर आपने जो बैटिंग करी वो 96 मारे आपने उस मैच में, 98 पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ। तो मुझे सामने से देखने का मौका मिला और आपको देख के हम बड़े हुए। आपको देख के सारे प्ले, जो भी चाहे विराट कोहली की बात कर लो, धोनी की बात कर लो, सौरव गांगुली के साथ आपने काम किया। तो आपके बारे में बेसिकली जिस तरीके से आपने अपने आप को एडजस्ट किया युवा के साथ, चाहे विराट कप्तान हो चाहे धोनी कप्तान, उनके साथ आपने वर्ल्ड कप जिताया धोनी के साथ, वहाँ रहे। तो ये ऐसा करियर आपका रहा, तो बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। आप ऐसे प्लेयर वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम आते हैं, मतलब वो हम लोग का सौभाग्य है कि खेलने का मौका मिला। आपका रूटीन पता है मुझे, आप जब हेडफोन पहन के बस में चलना हो, जो बस की बाएं सीट वो आपके नाम पे बिल्कुल, वहाँ कोई बैठ नहीं सकता। फिर बैग में वो जो आपका साईं बाबा का तस्वीर, माता जी की तस्वीर, आपने बैट लेने से पहले उनका आपको आशीर्वाद चाहिए, सब याद है मुझे। मैं सबको देखा है प्रॉपर तरीके से करते हुए। और 23-24 साल खेलना इतना आसान काम नहीं। तो आप हमारे क्रिकेट के भीष्म पितामह हो, और जो आपकी कहानी क्रिकेट के साथ हमारा प्रेम कहानी, वो अभी भी देखता हूँ मैं। आपको लेजेंड्स लीग खेलने का मौका मिलता है आपके साथ रोड सेफ्टी में, तो कप्तान हो। आपका जो प्रिपरेशन अभी भी वही है कि मैच जीतना है। आपने याद, अभी आपने मीटिंग ली थी कि भाई अगर आपने नीली जर्सी पहन ली है तो उसका मतलब जीतना है, भारत के लिए खेल रहे हो, चाहे वो रिटायर्ड प्लेयर्स की लीग हो। तो आप सर महान हो, आप क्रिकेट के लिए बने हो, आप खुदा हो हमारे क्रिकेट के। तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत बहुत सौभाग्यशाली मानता हूँ कि आपके साथ खेलने का मौका मिला। Wishing you a very very happy birthday. Have a great day.
I hope you have a wonderful year ahead and many, many years to come. One memory I have of playing against you many years back, I think it was April 1998 in Dubai. I think they call it Sandstorm or something. But anyway, I do remember that 143, and I do remember you hitting 5 sixes. And I think maybe one, if not two, might have been off my bowling. But anyway, it was an unbelievable day for you. A special innings that's remembered by you, I'm sure, but many of your fans out there here in India.
Sachin, 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 Sachin. That's what we all have heard, even as a small kid to even now. Sachin Paji, jitna aapka, whatever we say about you will be much less, because you're the reason, I think, why Indian cricket is at this stage now. Whether it be IPL, let it be even the international matches, the way you are played and the way you have showed the right spirit, the way you carried yourself off the field, hats off to you. बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I am honored. My biggest memory of you is giving me the cap from your hand, that too one day cap. I think October 25th, 2005. Sachin bhai, that was the biggest day for me. Thank you very much, and I'm wishing you, from me, my family, and the entire God's own country, a very, very, very happy birthday. Lots of love, Sachin Bhaji. To see great.